of all, I'd like to hear it for the bird and the bee, the greatest rock and roll band of all time. It's such an honor to be here tonight to play the drums for one of my favorite bands of all time. You might not imagine that a drummer like me would play with a band like the Bird and the Bee, but I think herein lies the message. It's a message of togetherness and love and hope and appreciation and kindness to one another, musically and otherwise. So I thought it would be appropriate to throw this song in the middle of the set just so that we can all celebrate that same love and appreciation and togetherness with a song of hope and love and peace. If we all sang this song together, I think for one moment, in today's world, just one moment where we can feel that means everything. And maybe we can even make it last forever. So, I invite you to join me in singing this song, the one song that I think could bring us all together. If you know the words, which I'm sure you do, please sing along. I get out, but nothing brings me down. You got it tough. I've seen the toughest all out. And I know, baby, just how you feel. You gotta roll with the punches to get to what's real. Can't you see me standing here? I got my back against a wrecking machine. I ain't the ones that you see. Can't you see what I mean? Might as well jump, jump. Go ahead and jump. Get it and jump, jump. Go ahead and jump. Might as well jump, jump. Go ahead and jump. Ready to jump, jump. Go ahead and jump. Oh! Who said that? You say you don't know where you're going until you begin. Can't you see me standing here? I got my back against a record machine. I ain't the ones that you see. Can't you see what I mean? Might as well jump. Go ahead and jump. Get it and jump, jump. Go ahead and jump. Might as well jump, jump. Go ahead and jump. I can jump. Go ahead and jump. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.